Hey everybody, what's up? It's Katie Austin here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen, Cooking with Katie. This segment, we are going to be making a fun, healthy dessert. So, you know when you're craving sweets at like 10 p.m. at night, but you really don't want to eat the ice cream, you don't want to eat the cookies, the brownies, whatever you got in your refrigerator. This is a great way to have those sweet tooth cravings without any guilt. So, what's it called? I'm not really sure, but we're gonna call it a Greek yogurt, cheesecake, cinnamon, chocolate, brittle thing. So, I think you guys are gonna love it. It is super easy to make. All you need is Greek yogurt, cinnamon, almond butter, vanilla extract, honey, and some cocoa powder, which is gonna be that base of that chocolate taste. So, also what you're gonna need, I'm using some parchment paper, so when I put it in the freezer, it really doesn't stick that bad. And then a small little cookie tray just like that. So, not really a cookie tray, I don't really know. So, what we're gonna do here is pour everything, all these ingredients in a big old bowl right here. And then we're gonna spread it out, put it in the freezer. Super simple, super easy, and you guys will love it. So, basically all I'm gonna do here is pour in the Greek yogurt. Then I'm going to take 1 scoop of almond butter. Take a pinch of cinnamon, a large pinch though. Then I'm gonna take about 2 to 3 pinches of this cocoa powder. 1, 2, 3, perfect. Take a little bit of vanilla extract, not very much at all. Just 1 or 2 drops. Then, my hands are already dirty. Then I'm gonna just take a little bit of honey, just like that. And what I'm going to do is lay out this parchment paper on the tray, just like that. All right, perfect, perfect. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just mix this on up all together. All right, then I'm going to take this spatula and just really spread it all out evenly on the tray. So I spread it out evenly on this little sheet here, but what I'm gonna do before I put it in the freezer is actually take a little more pinch of this cocoa powder, sprinkle it on top there, take a little bit more of the cinnamon, sprinkle it on top. And then last but not least, what I did with this almond butter is I actually heated it in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds to make it really soft and runny. So it looks really good like that. So what I'm gonna do is actually drizzle it on top of this little brittle here, and it makes for a really, like, it just looks nice and also really tastes good with some extra almond butter on top. So here's what we're gonna do, just drizzle it just like this. Perfect. All right, you guys, and now it is ready to go in the freezer for at least 6 hours. So hopefully you guys have enough time and you're patient enough to wait the 6 or 8 hours to put it in the freezer, not to eat it, because the longer it actually sits in the freezer, the better it will be. If you take it out too early, it might fall apart on you. So make sure to put it in there for at least 6 hours and let's see how it turns out. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that healthy cheesecake, chocolate, cinnamon, brittle, whatever you want to call it. It's amazing, so I hope you try it. And if you try it, let me know in the comments below. And in the comments below, write what your favorite dessert is. I want to hear from you guys what you guys like to eat as your cheat meals, as your dessert, because maybe next time I can make a little bit of a healthier version for you. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, if you like me and my videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Plus, I have tons of workout videos on getfitwithkatie.com, so make sure you also check that out because I think you will really love them. Hope you enjoyed this video, and bye guys.